Hi everyone, good morning. So it's officially 10th day of my tour. So today I am in Nagpur. I am in my relative home. So this is like just a family day mostly. I don't have any plans in Nagpur, but I don't see any places or any like must do things in Nagpur other than visiting some zoos, some parks, and eating some best places of the city. But weather is chilled here, very nice today at least. So as part of my 10th day, I'll try to go some places in the afternoon. I meet my cousins today and try to hang out somewhere possible. So nothing much for the day. So tonight I'm leaving for Nasik. So probably in the Nasik, I will start my tour 10th day. So that's it for the day. So I'm coming Nagpur after almost 20 30 years. So I'm just reliving my old childhood days. So just based on my gut feeling, I'm trying to find one small temple where my uncle and I used to go regularly. So I hope I'm there. From here, if I take a left, it should come. It should be a small temple. I don't remember the temple of which god and all, but I just know there's a small temple where me and my uncle used to go regularly and sit there. Let's see if I can get the temple. Is this the one? I'm not sure. But after left, it has to come, not on the right side. Let's see. So this is the road from where I came. I think this may be the road. There was a board like towards Bhopal or Indore something. Let me see. Let me figure it out. So today I am here. This very famous restaurants and 7-Eleven, not 7-Eleven, Corridor 7. This is a crazy place. Here I see a whole bar of a coffee bar. Just like, alcohol bar in other clubs. Here this exclusive bar for a coffee. Looks amazing, right? I mean, people are sitting in the bar counter, ordering coffee, blindly. It's like, the kick is really amazing. One and only coffee bar. So I got this. Let me try and see how it is. रेडियो क्या आता है ये वाला
दे दिए यहाँ से, नाइट्रोजन जेल दिया गया।
ब्यूटी क्लियर कोल्ड
ब्रांडेड कॉफ़ी है क्या? ब्रांडेड कॉफ़ी,
सॉरी
कॉफ़ी कॉफ़ी।
हाँ आप यहाँ से नहीं हो सर?
बेंगलोर से।
बैंगलोर। तो आपको ब्लैक
बस यही
कॉफी
देखना है।
पसंद आती है या फिर
तो ट्राई।
ओके, तो आप यहाँ पर मतलब ऐसे ही विजिट के लिए आए हो कि
मेरा रिलेटिव्स है, रिलेटिव्स रहते हैं मेरा,
ओके
तो उन्हें मिलने आया हो तो मैं उसके साथ यही ट्राई कर। ये कौन सा है जो बन रहा है?
ये 4 आवर कॉफी है।
4 आवर्स।
हाँ बहुत सारे डिफरेंट मेथड रहते हैं टू ब्रू द कॉफ़ी। एक उसमें है, एक मशीन है, उसके बाद एरोप्रेस है, केबल डिपर है।
नाइस। तो बेस्ट जो ट्राई करने के लिए मैंने अभी एक नेमलेस ट्राई किया,
हाँ
और कुछ है जो ट्राई करने के लिए मैंने अभी ग्रीनबर्ग ऑर्डर किया है।
अगर आपको ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पसंद आती है तो आप इसमें से ट्राई कर सकते
ये
हो।
वाला मिल्क का कॉम्बिनेशन इज नाइस। हो गया है।
यस आप टेस्ट करोगे?
अगर
ये पूरी ब्लैक कॉफ़ी है, आपको ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आएगा।
मतलब जो पीते हैं शायद
You will
इन्हें
get the flavor of,
वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। अच्छा है।
कॉफ़ी का मतलब हाँ आपके लिए थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। हेलो हाय, बट फॉर अस इज नॉट दैट मच ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग।
बट इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर मी।
जी
बट मेरे लिए So I'm here today at the very famous Diamond Cross of India. So this connects north, east, south, west, all the four corners of India. So I'll see if I can take some pictures me. But behind me you can see Diamond Crossing. So very popular crossing. I don't know whether I can take a picture from top view. Though this can be seen from the top view properly. Let's see if I can manage somehow. Yes, Diamond Cross of India.
मामू कहाँ गए तुम्हारे? अरे बेटे के मामा कहाँ गए हैं? ना ना
Hello everyone. So this is my intermediate 10th day. So I'm wrapping up this day. I'll be traveling to Nasik, Purana Travels. So this is the market, little market. So this day kind of a very important and unique one for me. In fact, whoever comes here, it will be unique for them. As I was told in the morning, there are certain places here which are and can be only one place the whole country. As example is 0 miles. The 0 miles is the place of any country. From that, the whole country's kilometers are measured. So that 0 is in Nagpur. And also diamond crossing, which can be only one in the whole country, where west, east, north all are meeting in some place. That's for a train transfers. It's kind of any city's central junction where many interactions intersects the lines, the train, metro especially. I mean, there will be one place in the east city where many metros meet there and people will interchange from that place. So this is also as such. This is also one of such place where the whole country's railway lines are intersecting here, and they are taking the diversions from here. So wrapping up today, we'll see you tomorrow from Nasik.